Welcome to the cooler report. I'm going to introduce our open air display cases. Let's take a look at the overall sizes first. For the unit's entire length, almost 67 inches tall. And the deep about 29 inches. And overall length is about 23.5 inches. As you can see, we have the units coming with the 1, 2, 3 shelvings and include the bottom, the total 4 layers. The top shelvings is about 11 inches in the deeps. And 21 inches in the length. And the second shelvings, also the 21 inches in the length. And it's about 14 inches in the depth. So this one coming 1, 2, the 2 shelving the same dimensions. And the bottom one, the basis, it will be 22 inches in the length and 18 inches in the depth. On top of the units, it's still having the night covers. You can secure it like this way. And this is the plastic. And if you're looking down the units, we're having the controller and the switcher right here, and ventilator at the front, and the fan inside, and the compressor at the bottom, these units. Also, the unit is coming with a double layer glass for better temperature efficiencies. And let's take a look at the other side. As you can see, we're having the sanitation stickers right here, the ETL approvals, and cut sheets on the machine for the units. And if you keep looking down at the back, we're having, this is for the gas pipes, and also having the standard 110 plugs right here. They come in with the 110 US standard plugs. And this is all the units looks like. They have a back covers right here. And this is all information for the units. If you have more questions, please contact with us. Thank you.